Hi, I'm Greg Dardis, President and CEO of Dardis Communications. I'm excited for you to attend our Leadership Presentation and Image Skills program. This is one of the most important programs that you can ever attend. For over 20 years, we've worked with some of the most successful people in the world. And our graduates say that this is the best training that they've ever attended. So why is that? There's two main reasons for that. Number one, this will give you a competitive edge. We know that being prepared for meetings, knowing your content, and having experience is all very important, but it's also an expectation. Your ability to communicate information in a clear, confident, and concise manner will truly separate you as a leader. And number two, it's going to build your confidence. Speaking before a group is still the number one fear for people. And whether you're speaking to a large group, a small group, face-to-face, or even virtual, most people get nervous and are not as confident as they should be. However, with the right playbook, you're going to gain that confidence so you can own the room, own the meeting and situation. That's why this training is so critical. It's going to provide you with the skills and tools you need to win and be the best version of you. Get ready for an unbelievable experience. I'm confident this will be a game changer for you.